Hello, this is Steve Milton. This is my demo for the Contoso University MVC project. As you can see, here's the landing page. It's got different fonts and different styling and stuff like that. I have this picture here. It's actually Boston University. But for our purposes, this is Contoso University. Anyway, we have all the our menu buttons are up here. They each will go to their different places, so we can go look at the students. Here's the table for them. I've done a little styling on this as well. We can do the sorting. We can do the enrollment date, sorts. We can search for it. So let's search for student. Find any of those. Search. Oh, there are none. How about I have no idea what's even in here. George. Any Georges in this thing? Nope, it's not. Let's go back to focus and find something that there isn't here. The paging works on this thing. Okay, so let's go look for a Peggy. There we go. P-E-G-Y. There we go. Search. So all that stuff works. Go back to the full list. You can go in and you can edit and make changes here. All that stuff works fine. Back to list and go to see details to see all the information on them. And then we can also delete as well. Okay, so next, let's go to courses. All right, so on the courses, we have the same kind of stuff. You can go to our edits, and that same thing, you go and change it. You got your drop downs here for the different things. You can do the creates and actually create new ones. I'll just do a sample of that. I'm not going to actually create anything, but you can see that it's there and it all works. In fact, I just do a 10, algebra 2, that's fine, and then I'll do credits, we'll do 3, partners of math, and 3. Okay, from that point, algebra 2 is now there, and then we can go and look at the details on it, and see that they're all there, go back to this, and then we can also go and delete it as well. So we'll go ahead and delete it, am I already sure, and I'm not sure. Okay, so all that's working fine. Instructors, we have all these linked as well, so they'll have their office. You can go in there and change that. So let's go ahead and do let's do a create new just so we can make sure that works right. So I'll do new again. That's how okay. I'll pick some office. I don't care what it is. And I'm going to teach math. So I'll do math. Keep checking math class. Alright, now we create. Sorts all alphabetically, so there I am in my classroom. Go to my details and see all my details, edit, that's all fine. Go back to the list. If we do a select, at that point it will show me all the classes I'm in. And then we can also do another select and see what students are in my classes. So there we go with all that. All that works good. And then we'll come back here and hit the delete. And should we delete? Sure, I'm sure. That works right. Okay, and then the last thing is just the departments. So here we can go and do the test on that to see if that works. I'm not ready to delete this temp department. I don't know what it's for, but I'm not sure if anything else is in a department. Let me just look at is anybody in temp? Nobody's in temp. The course is in temp. And the course is in temp, so I think I can delete the temp department. So let's go ahead and do that just so that we see that it works. Delete. It's gone. All right, if we want to do the test for the concurrency, let's go ahead and open up that second tab here. So that edits. Okay, and then we'll go in here and we're going to edit this, change it to 500,000. Okay, and we'll go and save it. Okay, then we'll come over here and we'll go and change this to 400,000. And we'll do a save. Gives me a little warning like it's supposed to. Lets me know that the current value is 400, 500. But I'm saying, oh, that's not right. It should be 400. I didn't know what I was talking about. So, yeah. Okay, so that's it. Everything's working. My about has got the information here. It's also got my information down there. Styling is pretty consistent everywhere throughout. So that's really it. Thank you very much. Oh, and thank you very much for your help. This was really wonderful.